Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make an audio effects template in Audacity. In order to do so, here we are in Audacity, and what we're going to do is first bring in a audio file, and we'll just go ahead and pull from there. We have our audio file ready to go, and we want to create an audio effects template. So to do that, what we're going to do is come over to Tools up in the main menu, and you're going to select the Macro Manager, and from here you can set up a new macro. And what that does is you can schedule certain effects to trigger when you apply the macro into your audio file. So I'll show you how that works. We're going to start fresh, so I'll go here to New, and we'll call this New Test. And what we're going to do is come up to Edit. We're going to click on that, and what you're going to see here are a variety of effects that you can apply using a macro to trigger the effect so they come into the file and you don't have to fuss around with too much. So it's good for if you have certain effects that you use all the time with certain types of tracks, then this is a handy time-saving thing to know how to do. So, for example, let's say we want to normalize our tracks. We can come to Normalize and hit OK. And now Normalize is part of the macro. Let's add something else. Let's go back to Edit. Let's put a compressor. We're going to hit OK. Let's see. If you wanted to add some reverb, if you like a certain type of reverb and you kind of want that in all your tracks, you come here to Reverb, and this is where if you have certain things that you like to have in your audio files on a regular basis, then this is how you can make things simple for yourself. So once we've done that, we can hit Save here. And we've saved that under New Test. We're going to hit Close. Now the next thing we're going to do, select the file. And once you've done that, you can see it light up. We're going to go back up to Tools. We're going to Apply Macro. And we're going to select New Test, which is what we just did. And you can see there that it applied those effects. So that is how you make an audio effects template in Audacity. And that's all there is to that. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.